Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. And it's Wednesday. It's Wednesday. So let's see what's really happening. Actually happening in the market. So US30, NASDAQ, S&P, German 40 or DAX, even Bitcoin actually. They were actually on a selling spree, but maybe that might change. So yeah, if you want to be part of the team, you see what you can get there on the screen. It's actually limited up to this, let's say this Sunday. Yeah. So without wasting your time, let's go straight to the break before we continue. Traders Central sponsors this video or stream. Traders Central provides funding for traders and recently introduced a pop-up shop on their platform that allows you to purchase packs like to skip stage 1 or 2 on your challenge, 50% commission reduction, a deeper drawdown percentage. Sign up now using the link in the description to get up to 30% off on your first plan and enjoy the pop-up shop. Traders Central sponsors. Yeah, so now we are on Bitcoin 4 hours time frame. And you can easily see that, yes, the market is actually selling. The market is actually going down. And if you can check, I also highlighted here with the green bar, or maybe you can call that a support. Then the market actually, the market actually broke out of that. And you can see that I see a very nice retest there. So, and it seems like the market wants to create a very nice structure where it seems like it's ranging maybe before even pushing lower. I hope you see that. So I'm expecting this thing to still sell. If you check almost like major websites or financial websites, Bloomberg, CNBC, it seems like they think the market is still going to crash. But I think the market already did that. Even if that happens, I don't think maybe it's going to go crazy. So we might still see another sell-off, but I think it's also a good time to buy these assets, Bitcoins and the other coins, you see. But yeah, the market is actually going down, which means I'm still bearish on Bitcoin. But the thing is, we don't know when this thing is gonna push up. You can see actually this is 4 hours time frame, but this thing has been selling for some time. You can see since actually last year November, this thing actually was just pushing lower and lower, and which means unless we see the market doing something like seriously aggressive, actually I don't think we can say maybe the market is about to recover or something. I think the market is still on that crazy bearish move, so something like that. Maybe if you go on a daily time frame, maybe you will see what's really happening, but I'm still bearish, and it's been like this for some time. So let's see what's really happening on German DAX. It's German 40. So what's really happening on German 40? Yes, on this one it's also we are actually on this downtrend, which means the market is downtrending, which means we actually have to look for what? For sell positions. And I think for DAX, the structure is much clearer than the other indexes. So what I see is the market is giving us those moves or those structures that we can easily continue with that sell. You can see here I did point out this area, even if we did not take this, but you can see that yes, we were able to identify the structure. So what we want here is we need the market to break this area, then we can continue with that sell. If the market is going to break that, but if not, it means maybe the market will be trying to bounce back and push to the upside. Guess what? We smashed gold. We actually smashed gold. So if I can zoom out, you will see what I'm talking about. You can see that this thing has been going down for some time. Gold has been pushing lower and lower and lower and lower. But to us, it's actually straightforward. We can easily see that yes, even if it's like that, we can easily easily see that we are on this down trend and it's very strong. Actually, this means that dollar is actually quite strong against that gold. So that's why if we can zoom in, you can easily see that yes, the market is continuing with that trend. The market is still pushing lower. Here you can see, I think it's Friday or Monday, we had a very nice sell here, but the market was a bit slow, by the way. But earlier today you can see that if maybe you were still holding, you actually took that profit. But for those who got out, they were also able to make something out of that signal. So, but what I want to show you here is, as long as we're still respecting this resistance, it means we are still bearish, and we have to follow that. Simple as that. So let's push to the next one. Wow, US oil is also on a selling spree, guys. It was pushing up very aggressively, very aggressively. We also made something here. The time it was, I think it was retesting. But guess what? It seems like that bullish move where we thought the market was about to push up and create this type of a bullish move, actually the market did not sustain that, and currently it seems like the market wants to push lower. And if that happens, it means that trend that we thought maybe the market was going to push up, it means it's no longer there. Actually, I think the market is now going to go back, and we're going to say what? Maybe the market was just adjusting this trend, is still continuing with that sell. Do you see that? Because we were on a very strong sell-off for some time. So it seems like the market is going to go back, and we can still adjust that when time goes on. I hope you see that. But this, we can call this a fake breakout. The market actually went up. Maybe whatever that was going on was pushing the market to the upside, because dollar was a bit weak. But now it seems like dollar is coming back aggressively and trying to dominate US oil. But it's a good thing, especially when we can talk about, or maybe inflation, as the dollar is getting, maybe let's say when oil is going lower, we all know that prices are still going to go down, maybe next month or something like that. And all those prices which were going up like seriously crazy, I think like maybe in a few months to come, they will be trying to go down slowly. Then I think inflation will be going down, and maybe they will just make sure that they no longer increase their interest rates, and that is going to be beneficial for the NASDAQs and US30s. But for now, we just need to relax. So let's push to the next one. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So what do we see here? We are on US30, by the way, on 4 hours time frame. What do we see is, yes, we are still on that bullish move. Even though we see that the market is actually trying to push lower, we just need to wait for the market to touch this area before pushing up. But we don't really know if maybe the market will touch this area and respect it, or maybe the market will touch and try to break this area. Our job is to wait, especially when we are on this uptrend. We can't expect to buy or to sell when we can't expect to sell just because we will be waiting. Maybe it might take 2 days or 3 days. It doesn't matter, but we need to wait until the market reaches our support area before we can say maybe we can buy or do something, you see. But it's up to the market. Then if the market breaks that, we're going to look for that sell. But for now, we just need to relax. Actually, this week, I don't think it's going to be like last week. Last week, we were eating very nice. But this week, it seems like, because we have economic news, that is going to make the market to go like sideways, or maybe ranging, or maybe bit slow. You can see on Friday, the market was just creating these crazy moves. But since this week, since Monday, the market just created this smaller move. You can see the difference there. So yeah, but for now, we're still waiting for the market to touch that. and push up again. If not, maybe we'll see another sell-off. So let's push to the next one, which is NASDAQ. So it seems like NASDAQ is still actually, when I tried to adjust the support area, it's a bit confusing, by the way, because we have two of these here. So I am not really sure if this, you can see this one here. It seems like if I can zoom very close here, you can see that I don't know if this is valid. You can see the market just broke out and came back and retested that. So which makes it bit valid. It's valid, I think. Or maybe because this it's now confusing, because I think we were discussing this with one of my clients yesterday, because it also makes sense if we draw it like this. So which makes this bit confusing for me, but it's good because around these areas we know that those zones are very important. So my job is to wait actually to see if maybe the market will respect this area and bounce back, or maybe the market pushing lower. Then we will see actually what's really happening around that area. And if the market is confusing you, I think it's much better for you to start learning something. You don't really have to act and try to act smart. It's better for you to keep learning, as maybe this type of moves, that they don't really happen as often as maybe you think. So I think the market will create something that we can learn around this area, but our job today is just to wait and see what's really happening. And that means we won't actually have enough signals, and which means we're not going to eat. But it's fine as long as we're going to learn something, unless if maybe the market is going to break this area and maybe push the lower side. That is going to be way too easier for us. Or if maybe the market tries to push up again, it's going to be way too easier for us to say, you know what, maybe the market is time for it to push up again. But it seems like the market is respecting this area, and which means the market might be creating something like that. I hope you see that. I hope you can see that. So yeah, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. If you want to be part of the team, you know what to do. We have this special until Sunday, actually. Yeah, if for those who wants to be part of the team, by the way. So yeah, thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Thank you.